In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SharePoint to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have SharePoint linked so you can work more smoothly with your content right inside ChatGPT. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click your profile to open a small menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main settings panel, where you can manage features and connections that extend what ChatGPT can do. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps section. This is where all available integrations and connections are organized. Depending on your version, you may see a button labeled Explore Apps or Add More. Click that button to open the app catalog. This catalog includes a search bar to quickly find what you need. In the search field, type SharePoint. Give it a moment to load results. When the SharePoint option appears, select it to view the connection details. You'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. This begins the secure linking process between ChatGPT and your SharePoint account. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions. These prompts are designed to guide you through granting the necessary permissions and confirming access. You may be asked to sign in to your SharePoint or Microsoft account, review what the connection can access, and approve that access. Take a moment to read the prompts so you understand what you're allowing. When you confirm, the connection will complete. Once finished, you should see SharePoint listed as connected within your Apps area. If you're returning to the Apps section to check, the status indicator typically confirms it's active. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using the right account that has permission to access the SharePoint content you need. If your organization uses admin controls, you might see approval screens. Just follow the instructions provided there. If you're ever unsure about a permission, look for a brief explanation in the prompt. And remember, if something doesn't load right away, waiting a few seconds and refreshing the Apps view often helps. To recap, you clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Apps, chose Explore Apps or Add More, searched for SharePoint, clicked Connect, and then followed the prompts on screen. With that, your SharePoint connection to ChatGPT is ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new streamlined workflow.